Hey beautiful guys, welcome back. In this video you will learn fix duplicate apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. First unlock your phone, swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can find any duplicate app. For example, my phone is show up Facebook duplicate apps, WhatsApp duplicate app. But don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video you can easily remove it. To do it, find the duplicate app if you want to remove. For example, I am remove the WhatsApp duplicate app. Simply tap on hold it, then find the uninstall button, click on it, then hit the uninstall button again and wait to complete the process. And right now your second duplicate app is removed. However, if you decide to another way to remove duplicate app your phone, this is available. To do that, go back to home page, open settings. In the settings menu, scroll down slowly. This time you can find advanced features option, tap to open them. After that, scroll down again, locate dual messenger, click to open it. Here you can see the all of duplicate apps listed there. Find the exact app if you want to turn off. For example, I am turn off the Facebook duplicate app my phone. Simply tap on the toggle switch, then hit uninstall, and you have successfully done. To check this process work or not, go back to home screen, open app drawer, and this time no longer be needed any duplicate app your phone. That's it, you can done. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care everyone.